Everybody, StuartK from Bear Bull Traders Chat. I'm doing a recap today on a few trades that I had. I didn't have a very good day. Um, I'll share my P&L. I recently increased my share size from 50 to 60. I'm trying to slowly build this thing up as I go. And I moved offices, so I'm in a different room, so it's kind of new surroundings, and I really can't blame that on the red day that I had, but uh, it was a kind of different scene for me. So I'm comfortable in here, and I'm okay with accepting this loss today. A few of these trades got away from me with some slippage, so we'll get into that and show you what I did wrong and the one time that I did something right. So Momo had gapped up this morning and was looking to take it for long if I got an opportunity. And so I waited. I took the 5 minute challenge with William and waited for a 5 minute opening range break up. And as soon as the um, price action moved above that first 5 minute candle, I took it long and got in with a little bit of slippage here. And it looks like I added some more here. No, that was the second trade. So I went along here and got stopped out here. Took another stab at it when it started surging up. Went long, got stopped out. And finally, on the third try on it, it looked like it had a reversal situation down here. So I took it long here and made a pretty good trade out of this. I had patience and waited. I took half of it off here because I had to leave and run an errand, and I set I think it was a 58-cent trailing stop from here, and it stopped me out uh, right there. Kind of interesting. I drew this trend line here earlier on in the day. I think it was about right here. And of course, it extended out like that, and you can see where once it broke that trend, it was on a highway to hell, as Andrew says. So that was Momo. Let's see here. I had one other trade, and this was just really stupid. Actually, I went at this twice, one winner, one loser. And what it was MDB, and I had mentioned this earlier in the chat. I hope nobody had listened to me. Um, I thought it was going to be a good stock to trade today, but as you can see, the first trade uh, went pretty good. Um, I saw it playing along this nine moving average here. It's bouncing. It broke through here, but then it reclaimed it and waved up, and I tried to get this thing on a pullback, so I uh, took a position here, and then I think I took a partial here, and then got stopped out here, and the second, so that was a green trade. It looks crazy the way I drew on there. And then the second trade, I tried to do it again. I saw it bounce off of this 20 this time and decided to take it long here, but got stopped out. And I really got hit with some slippage here, and that was probably I think that was my biggest loss of the day. But the key to all this is that I'm finally learning to keep my position size small so I can control my risk. And even though I had a couple bad trades here, I mean, if you look, the first trade on MDB, it looks like I lost. No, the first trade, I'm sorry, up here. First trade on MDB, I made on my first partial, I made almost $20, and then I tried to get out at break even, and that much slippage hit me, $7.80. And then, of course, the second trade was just not a good idea. And again, I hit the button, and then that's the slippage. I was trying to keep my losses to $25, and that doubled it up on me there. So, but that's the way it goes. You know, live to trade another day is the old saying, and um, I don't know if this could help anybody, but I appreciate any questions or comments below. Like, dislike, hate. Anyway, I know there's no haters out there. Uh, really enjoyed trading with you folks in Bear Bull Traders, and we'll see you at another time.